he starts fucking me, you fuck him up right back.
Leon, go.
Leon first. Leon. Come on, guys. 2-on-1. 2-on-1.
Leon. Leon! Ah, fuck! Oh, get out! Oh my God.
Come on! Fuck this shit. Give me one!
You knocked the wind out. Give me 10 seconds, I'm up. Time out. No, we got this shit. Oh, my life, like, I'm wheezing.
So scared. You already hit you?
Yes, he hit me fucking insane. Hang on.
My stomach hurts right here. This guy's slapping his ass off. Come on, next bitch!